up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really pretty floral wreath. What you will need: grapevine wreath, some pretty flowers. You could use different colors or different styles, whatever you'd like. I also have some baby's breath and some leaves. I actually bought this a full stem from Hobby Lobby and I cut them into just smaller pieces. This grapevine wreath is actually from Dollar Tree, and these flowers came in a bundle from Michael's. But again, you could be creative, do whatever kind of flowers you'd like. Alright, let's get started. So this one is going to be really simple. What you're going to do is take a flower, take some of the leaves, and take some of the baby's breath. I like to put the baby's breath against the green just because I think the contrast looks really nice. So this is what it's going to look like. And what you're going to do is just hot glue all of it together. And depending on the size of your wreath, this one is actually 12 inches. If you're going to use a bigger wreath, of course you want more flowers. But I only have 5 flowers and I'm just going to place them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way around the wreath ring. Go ahead and get this glued and glue all of the bundles. So I'm just going to do this with all of my flowers. I'm going to make 5 bundles and then I'm going to come back and glue them all down. Alright, so I have 5 bundles of flower, baby's breath, and leaves. And I'm just going to place them evenly around the wreath. Just like that. Just so I get an idea of where I want to place them. Alright, so I have them all placed exactly where I would like them. Now I'm just going to use a hot glue gun to glue them in place. And then you can adjust it while you're gluing it down. Like you can glue the leaf down to the vine just to keep it a certain position. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Again, you could finish up here, or if you'd like, you can kind of go back and add some more leaves if that's something that interests you. I think I may add a few leaves here and there. I'm just adding single leaves all around just to make it a little greener. This is what it looks like all done. You can add more leaves, more baby's breath, more flowers, whatever you'd like. You can just have fun with it. Use bright colors, a color scheme. I mean, you can do so much with it and it's so simple to do.